Hey, where are we going?
To Singapore.
What? I can't hear you.
To Singapore!
Babay muna Pilipinas. Say, babay muna Pilipinas.
Bye-bye, Philippines. God mo.
What are you gonna say?
We're inside the airplane.
We're not yet inside the airplane. It's still there.
Not yet.
I'll tell you if it's inside now.
Why? Flying in the Gotham sky. Hi. Why? Why?
Is that Hot Wheels? We're right ni Pogi.
So far, this 056, we're going
For
to
Singapore.
5 for Singapore. We're going to a John, but up we go. I'm ready for it.
What?
Battery becomes excessively long. This
What?
refers
For the
to all
takeoff?
gadgets powered
Yeah,
by lithium
I'm
battery
scared.
or
Hey bro, what's up? Naks naman. Pogi ah. Chok, Pogi mo. Nak. Can you bring... Welcome to...
Singapore!
Watch. What about the restroom? It's way different, right? We're in Singapore, bro. It's automatic, bro. Everything is automatic. Look at... Why don't you look at that? You can pee here, bro. You can pee there. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda. See that? This is cooler, right? Is it cool? Even more cool?
It's even more cooler.
Wacho, hi. We're good? Okay.
Dad,
Ah.
do you want some coffee?
First stop is to eat in Jollibee in Singapore. Baka iba lasa ng Jollibee dito eh. Watch, hi, watch. Okay muna. Ice cream muna si Mami. Popular daw to rito eh. Oh, diba? 1 SGD.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Wancho.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to
Dear Wancho, happy birthday to you. What? Anong banana?
And when you wake up, you're here.
Yeah. But when I hear a noise, something happened.
What happened?
There was broken noise. Something ate my feet.
Something eat you. And then? What happened?
Hi, good morning. We're now going to... Saan tayo pupunta, anak?
Sa Singapore. Oh, I forgot Universal Studios. Birthday, Daddy.
Ba't ako? Hindi naman ikaw may birthday.
I got a dino shirt.
Oh,
Thank you for my ticket.
Okay, are you ready to go? Yeah. Okay, we're ready to go. See you.
Crack it like that.
Crack the other.
Okay.
Okay, the other one. Go.
Wait, what?
No.
Wancho, relax.
Okay.
Another
Okay.
egg.
No, that's for daddy. O sige, you want na yours, dad?
Sige lang.
Go.
Hey!
Oops.
Grabe naman si...
Oh. Is that how you crack it?
Wow!
That's oil.
Parang pampansit kanto ni Ate Ben.
One chunk.
Can I twirl it?
No, you have to put this one first. Light sauce. Can you put?
Okay, food is ready. Oh.
This is my meal.
Give me coffee.
This is my meal.
Yeah, that's yours.
Ito yung mga kape na gising mo nito. Pasko na, Mami. Hi, everybody. Hi, guys.
Hi! It's Wancho's birthday today.
Birthday today.
my birthday yet.
Here na, Universal Studios. There you go.
Happy birthday, my love. I did it. 1, 2, 3, happy birthday, Wancho.
Wow, look at this place. We're back here after 8 years. Wancho, now with Wancho.
I want to be here.
Yes, Mommy. Grabe. Nakakamiss dito. Hi, Mommy. Ayan, oh. Ay, sa birthday boy, oh. Oh, yan. Look at that. Wicked. Showing kasi ang Wicked yata ngayon. Kaya yun ang pinopromote ng Universal Studios.
Happy birthday, my love!
Happy birthday, bro! Oy, Wancho, sino yun? Oh, may magandang prinsesa dun. Sino ba yun? Wait, I'm gonna... Say hi to the princess, nak. Go! Oh. Hip-hop ka ba? Look at my beautiful family. My beautiful mag-ina, oh. We will be taking pictures here for Wancho Minion World. Kami lang tao pa rito. Very early. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Wancho, come here.
Ito na ang hinahintay. Itong hinihintay nito eh. Toss gas. Part gun daw yung hanap niya. Part hindi ng init dito. Nakasando na si Pogi. Ayan.
Monsters.
Wow, are you happy, bro?
Yeah, but it. Monsters.
Muna kami. Ma, ano? Kaya pa, ma? Ha?
Bawal sa may vertigo to.
Bawal daw sa may vertigo. Ano? Saya naman. Happy birthday na!
I'm melting my hair.
The sun is melting your head. Wancho, you wanna take
Yeah, sobrang init dito. Grabe. Sayang ang skincare ni Mami.
And ensure that you the number one spot on Yeet-O Top 10 charts. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, are you ready to see Donkey?
Yeah!
Fantastic.
That's a good job. Now we gotta welcome the master of this day. He's here tonight and he's out of day. Donkey says, turn around, shake that booty for Captain Hook on the key.
That's right. Shake that booty.
What a rider na? Potion Factory.
So, where are we?
We're in the cage.
Cage of ogres.
Yeah. We're in the cage of donkey.
Donkey or Shrek?
It's the cage of donkey. It's the cage of donkey.
Ako to, papahiluin na naman ako nito.
Shrek is gonna, look, Shrek is gonna potion us.
Alright. Bato!
Why, Shrek?
Lagi na lang tayo nasa rides.
Yeah!
Hindi pwedeng mataas cholesterol dito sa batang to. Kailangan, ready ka dito. Ayun o. Anak ng tokwa. Kailangan dito, kondisyon ka. Kaya kailangan natin maging healthy. Oh. Watch.
I need help.
What can you say about this experience? Uy, up. Tayo ka.
It's good.
It's good.
Yeah, but okay.
But,
I gotta say thank you for help.
oh, nakakahilo dito. Whoa, toothless.
So,
Oh my God, Nak, ang ganda.
where's toothless? Yung sa'yo.
Pagod na si Pogi.
It's okay, no? That's
Enjoy it. Tagal ni Shrek to, no? Shrek, tagal mo.
Daddy, look
Oh.
at the magnet.
Oh. Huh. May na-magnet ka? Hinahanap pa si Pogi. Abo! Hinahanap ko na eh.
Okay, Daddy, look, I got magnet.
Pogi, oh, birthday
I
boy.
got magnet.
Birthday. Huh! Hinihigop niya? Huh! Here's my son, Wancho. It's his birthday today.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
Jurassic Park na to. Where are we, bro?
This is what?
Where are we?
I'm
Where are
just
we?
checking for food.
Oh my God, again, food na naman si Mami.
Oh, yes. Soy
Oh, yan na.
sauce chicken
We're in
rice.
Jurassic
I think
Park.
that's-
Oh my God.
Nasa Jurassic Park na kami, kaya nag-OA na to. OA!
We need to ride. Where is it? Where is it? After we ride.
Whoa! Who's that, Bunch? Move aside daw, move aside. Whoa!
Well, hello everyone. My name is Dr. Rodney. I'm the resident paleontologist here at Around for today. We welcome our newest baby hamster, little baby Emma. She's adorable. She's less than a day old, and I thought I'd take her out of the nursery to come say hello to you all.
Hey, right behind us is none other than...
Oh my. Hey bro. Hey, you okay?
Any of you have any questions for Kaya?
Wancho, there's Blue behind you. Look. Say hi. Hi to Blue.
Hello!
Say.
Ready for Jurassic World Adventure? Yeah! Mga naka-plastic na kami! Ready na, Nak? Mommy, ready? Okay.
Attention all Jurassic Park guests. Stay in your boats and away from the electrical...
Above my head.
No, it's not. It's just fun.
You said, Mickey, that's not fair. That's not good. That's not fair. That's not fair. Can you hear more dinosaurs?
Oh, there.
Oh my God. They think we're Oh, wait, there's one.
Oh wow, this is a little bit bumpy now.
Woo! Water's inside. Oh no.
Look at this place. Watch, how's the experience? Mommy, how's the experience?
We're wet.
What about the, what do you like the most? Which part?
Nothing because they're too scared.
Ay, Mommy. Ay, medyo nakalusot sa wet. Pagkabasa. But that was fun experience, bro. Right?
My favorite experience was the Parasaurolophus and the one from the last part.
The last part, right? It's so dark and we went up.
No, my favorite
bunch is
part.
wet.
The one that one.
Ah, okay. Starbot. Transformer World. Transformer World. Sci-Fi City. But they are buying food. Nagutom na si Chocho. Hi, love! Kagigising natin. Okay. Kagigising ni Wancho. What is that? Hi! Yeah. Kagigising ni Wancho. I'm still not in the mood yet. Ikot-ikot kami waiting for Bumblebee. And then after Bumblebee,
Going to Elmo pala.
si Elmo pala. Oo, tapos. Ayan, so tiring. Medyo nag-rest kami ni Mommy sa restaurant. Gusto na naman nila ng ice cream.
4 tayo because my robot Lego is 4.
Robot Lego. Alright, yeah. More vlogs later. Magdidilim na. And I was still enjoying my energy na ulit tong kasama namin.
Optimus Prime is in position. Go for alternate mode.
5. What?
Autobots, roll out.
What's up, face up?
Here to ask you all to stand with me today so that he shall
Meeting Optimus Prime. Once Optimus Prime is behind us. Come on. Optimus Prime? Optimus Prime?
Bumblebee is coming!
Bumblebee is coming. Are you excited for Bumblebee?
Yeah, Lava!
Ano ba yan? Go there, watch, go there. Wow, watch. Here, watch out.
Bumblebee. I am glad to see you here, Lieutenant.
Stay here. The birthday boy.
It's his birthday,
Yeah.
Bumblebee.
There you go. Ito ang pinaka-paborito kong street, Sesame Street. Chill lang, di ba? Ayan mo. Opo, ganyan daw ang post na gusto niya, oh. Anong posing mo? Naksa. Nuts naman. Alright.
Relax, camera, action!
Yeah, man. Hindi ko alam ba't gustong-gusto niya yung part gun. Hilig kasi umutot nito eh. Manak, show it to them. Sabihin mo kay Lola at Lola, oh, ito po ang oh, this is the one that I bought po from your gift.
This is the one I bought from your gift.
Show it to them.
Show it to them. What do you call that, anak? Anong tawag dyan? Utot gun. Lahiya talaga. Thank you, Lola. Score ka na naman. Oh, what will you say to the giver? Oh, happy birthday, nak. Oh.
What is it? What are you saying?
We're in a legendary adventure. Let's go.
Okay.
We're finding more toys to go. Let's do it.
What's our next destination?
Our next destination, we're gonna buy some toys.
Jurassic Toys?
Yes, we're hunting for a lot of Jurassic toys to find. Why are you not
Okay,
talking
now
to
we are entering what? What's that?
Jurassic?
Jurassic Park?
Yeah, but there's real fire. There's real dinosaurs take a bath. Daddy, why are you not talking to?
No, I'm just okay lang, anak. I'm just putting your mic on.
Okay.
I have my mic also.
Thank you, Tita Pleedy. I love you.
What?
Roar!
What are you gonna say?
Roar!
Thank you, Lola. It's nighttime. We're just waiting for fireworks. Nakaupo lang kami sa sahig. Hi, Mom.
Hi, Daddy.
I love. Ayan.
Pa-fart gun mo lang si Daddy, no?
Yeah. I got a fart you with a fart blast. Feel. What is it?
Pancho, are you happy with your fart gun?
Yeah, I got a fart you.
Casey, can you show me, show me?
I got
Okay.